NBA legends make history. Basketball: A Love Story 2026 Basketball Hall of Fame Ceremony. A Love Story 2026 Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame Enshrinement Ceremony. The basketball world celebrated an unforgettable night as the Naismith Basketball Hall of Fame welcomed its legendary class of 2026. This year's ceremony was filled with emotion, unforgettable stories, and powerful tributes, as some of basketball's biggest names officially became Hall of Famers. Among the headline inductees were Amar'e Stoudemire, Candace Parker, Doc Rivers, and Mike D'Antoni. Amar'e Stoudemire's journey was one of determination and resilience. From becoming an NBA star to overcoming major challenges throughout his career, Stoudemire's path to the Hall of Fame represented much more than basketball. It was a story of perseverance and believing in yourself. Candace Parker also took center stage as one of the most influential players in women's basketball history. Her incredible career helped elevate the WNBA and inspired millions of young athletes around the world. Her Hall of Fame recognition marked another major milestone in an extraordinary basketball journey. Doc Rivers was honored for his remarkable career as both a player and coach. Known for his leadership, competitive spirit, and ability to connect with players, Rivers has left a lasting impact on the NBA. Mike D'Antoni was also celebrated for his revolutionary influence on modern basketball. His fast-paced offensive philosophy helped change the way the game is played and influenced a new generation of coaches and teams. The class of 2026 also featured Elena Del Don, Chamique Holdsclaw, Mark Few, Joey Crawford, and the legendary 1996 USA Women's Olympic basketball team. But this ceremony was about more than trophies and statistics. It was about family, sacrifice, friendship, perseverance, and the unforgettable people who helped shape basketball history. From emotional speeches to stories from their careers, the Hall of Fame ceremony reminded fans why basketball is much bigger than a game. These legends inspired generations, and now their names will forever be part of basketball history. The class of 2026 has officially entered the Hall of Fame, and their legacy will live on forever. Basketball,